Sometimes a wildlife photo looks absolutely perfect. It's sharp, well lit, beautifully composed, and yet something is missing. It feels more posed than wild. I know I've captured photos like that. Have you? Technically, they are flawless. But when you look at the photo, it leaves you feeling empty. So what actually makes a photo feel wild, not just taken in the wild?
You've got me saying words in my head, filling my mind with these images. And it's the way that...
When I first started in wildlife photography, I thought it was about location. Find the animal, get close, and get the shot. But as I grew and gained experience, I realized the wildness isn't something you find. It's something you feel. It's in the tension of the moment, the unpredictability. The animal is deciding what happens next, not you. A wildlife photo doesn't show control, it shows respect. It lets nature lead the frame. A technically perfect image certainly has a lot to admire. When we capture images with really good composition or really good exposure, or it's tack sharp, generally speaking, it tends to produce a higher quality image. But a technically perfect image can also be one of the most boring and lifeless images in the world. It makes you feel nothing. But what about a wild image? This definitely makes you feel something. The best moments aren't polished. They're real. A pelican diving, a blue heron trying to swallow a fish, an inhinga stabbing its prey. These moments remind us that the wild isn't a studio. We don't have elaborate lighting setups or controlled environments. The wild is real life. It's dynamic. It's always changing. It's always in motion. The human side of wildness creates another layer. And sometimes what makes a photo feel wild is you, your patience, your adrenaline, the heartbeat you had when you pressed the shutter. When I look back at my favorite images, I can feel the moment all over again. The humidity in the air, the tension in my breathing, the sense that something unpredictable was about to happen. These are things a camera captures. That's something you carry into the shot. Our photo editing software can go a long way at helping us to refine the moments we capture in the wild. But the real key is restraint. Don't chase perfection to the point you edit away the rawness in your images. We have to strike that balance between enhancing our images through editing while also maintaining the qualities that made the image great in the first place. With social media today, it's really easy to fall into the trap of believing that for a photo to be wild, it has to include an exotic species or be captured in some distant jungle. Honesty is what truly makes a photo wild. A photo feels wild when it feels alive, when you sense that, even for a brief second, nature let you witness something that was completely out of your control. And that, to me, is as pure as photography gets. Are you looking for a new photo editor, or perhaps maybe looking to switch from the current one you're using? Then you need to check out DxO Photolab 9. Head down to the show notes where I have a link for you to head on over to DxO and check out Photolab 9 for yourself. If you decide that you want to go ahead and make a purchase of Photolab 9, just be sure to use my special discount code at the time of checkout. That code is Magnolia, and it will save you 15% off of your purchase. If you're not quite ready to make a purchase at this time, Download a 30-day free trial where you can try out every single feature inside of Photolab 9 with absolutely no restrictions. If you're worried about learning DxO9, you're kind of don't want to start from scratch of learning a new editing software, don't worry. I've got you covered there as well. With my DxO Photolab 9 Masterclass, I will teach you everything you need to know from beginning to end, from uploading your photos into DxO, from walking you through my complete editing process. I'm going to show you how to create a step-by-step editing process so that you can consistently produce professional looking images. This course has nearly 7 hours of instruction. I give you a PDF guide so that you can go ahead and customize your workflow. I also give you 15 raw practice images in my full DxO preset collection for wildlife, portraits, nature, and landscapes. And you can head over to my store to check this all out, magnoliaphotography.sc.com/store. And while you're over there, also check out all my free guides. Hey, thank you so much for stopping by and spending your time with me today. Truly appreciate it. But before you leave, you might want to check out this next video right here.